Welcome to day one of our series Decoding SIF by Money Mass, where we try to simplify specialized investment fund. India's newest wealth creation opportunity. Hello friends, my name is Prince. I'm a CFA charter holder and a certified financial planner. Our mission is simple: to simplify this new category so that you can relate with and you can understand it. And here's a pro tip. If you are someone who wants to stay ahead in your investment journey, follow this series very closely. Let's get started. Over time, mutual funds have become the go-to instrument for millions of Indians. But here's the question. अगर कोई ऐसा इन्वेस्टमेंट इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता जो ना ही सिर्फ बुल मार्केट में बट बियर मार्केट में भी आपको डिसेंट रिटर्न प्रोवाइड कर पाता, कोई ऐसा इन्वेस्टमेंट इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता जो आपको म्यूचुअल फंड का ट्रस्ट तो कैरी करता ही करता बट सोफिस्टिकेशन ऑफ दोज फंड मैनेजर्स भी कैरी करता जो हेज फंड यूज करते हैं. That is what SEBI is trying to fill with the launch of SIFs. Today, in this video, we are going to decode what SIFs are, why they exist, and why they have the potential to become the India's next big wealth creation revolution. Now, why there was a need for SIF? Let's understand this. देखिए, traditional mutual funds are wonderful tools for long-term wealth creation, but traditional mutual fund तभी काम करते हैं जब मार्केट बुल रन में हो. मतलब अगर मार्केट डाउन जाती है तो आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट वैल्यू भी डाउन जाती है. ऑन द अदर साइड वी हैव पीएमएस एंड एआईएफ जो सोफिस्टिकेशन तो यूज करते हैं एंड ट्राई टू डिलीवर इवन इन डाउन मार्केट्स. बट सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम क्या है, इन दोनों प्रोडक्ट्स में एक्सक्लूसिविटी टैग अटैच्ड है. पीएमएस आपका स्टार्ट होता है मिनिमम टिकट साइज ऑफ 50 लाख से, वहीं पे एआईएफ स्टार्ट होता है मिनिमम टिकट साइज ऑफ 1 CR से. अब उन इन्वेस्टर्स का क्या हु फॉल इन बिटवीन, who want sophistication but with regulation, trust, transparency and accessibility. इसी गैप को फिल करने के लिए SIF को लॉन्च किया गया, जिसमें मिनिमम टिकट साइज is going to be 10 lakh rupees. Now what exactly is SIF? Think of SIF as a hybrid instrument between mutual fund and AIF. It carries all the benefits of mutual fund investing, which is professional management, transparency, trust, liquidity and taxation benefit. But it also adds a superpower of AIFs. That means they can take both long as well as short position. Short position का मतलब if they have a view that market में कोई चीज आने वाले टाइम में परफॉर्म नहीं करेगी, they will be able to sell it and make return out of it, which is not permissible in a traditional mutual funds. And that is what makes SIF different. They use derivative not just for hedging. They use derivative as a strategy. इसके साथ साथ SIFs comes with a low ticket size that we have already discussed, which is 10 lakh rupees. It carries all the benefits of taxation that exists in mutual fund. Similar taxation is also going to be implemented in SIF instruments also. Similar एक expense ratio होगा, कोई performance sharing fees नहीं होगी. एक साल से पहले withdrawal करने पे there will be some exit load depending on the strategy. एक साल के बाद withdraw करने पे equity है तो 12.5% का taxation. And all sort of similar thing that exists in mutual fund will be available here. Another differentiator that lie in SIF is the risk adjusted return. Instead of chasing only high returns, SIF try to reduce volatility and give you a better smooth experience. And again, it depends on the fund manager's strategy. When SEBI was asked why they are coming out with SIF, they had a simple answer. They want to provide the sophistication to the investors while protecting them. And that is where the professional management part comes into the picture. Now, what it is that you need to know as an investor before jumping into it? सबसे पहली चीज तो ये, you have to understand the product first, then only invest. ये हर इंस्ट्रूमेंट के लिए एप्लीकेबल होता है. If you are not understanding what you are getting into, you will not be able to hold on to your investment. Second, SIF कोई नई एसेट क्लास नहीं है. एसेट क्लास वही है equity, debt, commodity and real estate. SIF probably एक नई strategy है that is going to fit in your existing portfolio. Because ticket size 10 lakh rupees है तो you will have to decide कि कितना exposure of your existing portfolio का आपको इस कैटेगरी के अंदर देना है. And within SIF also there are going to be multiple categories like equity SIF will be different, debt SIF will be different and hybrid SIF will be different. तो आपकी requirement क्या है उसके हिसाब से you will have to pick the SIF strategy that is suited for you. सबसे important चीज जिसका हमें ध्यान रखना है before investing in SIF, एक कैटेगरी के दो SIF प्रोडक्ट कैन बी वेरी डिफरेंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम equity SIF की बात कर रहे हैं, equity long short SIF की बात कर रहे हैं, फंड मैनेजर का व्यू एंड द एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ फंड मैनेजर कैन बी वेरी डिफरेंट. तो इसीलिए उनके रिटर्न्स कैन नॉट बी कंपेरेबल. We have to understand what kind of risk a fund manager is taking to deliver those returns. किस theme के ऊपर, किस view के साथ the fund manager is operating in that space. So every fund will provide a unique set of instrument which is not there in mutual fund investing, जहाँ पे mainly सारे के सारे product within the same category एक ही तरीके से परफॉर्म करते हैं and they are very much comparable in nature. That was all about SIF. I hope आपको basic understanding about SIF इस वीडियो के साथ हो गई होगी. In the next video, we are going to discuss how SIFs are similar and different vis-a-vis mutual funds. The real difference that you need to know. But before that, do not forget to follow or subscribe us and share this video with those who are serious about investing. See you tomorrow.